Is it still a good morning? I think it's a good morning. So my name is Elliot and I'm a teacher at the high school. I teach math and physics. And this morning I want to share some of the work that we do as the high school. And break that we usually call for people to be team players. Be it in education or in business world, and we know that the days of closing our classrooms are over. Our students need more than one person to benefit from the kind of education that we think we are offering. So that calls for collaboration, though collaboration doesn't come that easily. I teach mathematics, and one of the things I did was to engage my girls in I was teaching statistics here. So what I did, I took the girls to the farm. This is a banana plantation, and all they were doing, they were measuring the circumference of the different plants. And we had one girl that was being used as a yardstick, so that as we are measuring, we measure at the same height. So this student is the one that was working as a yardstick, so that as we are measuring the circumference, we don't measure at different heights. So we would use that same student throughout the whole experiment. And they gathered information here. They gathered data here, and this is another case where they were measuring the circumference of trees on the compound. So after getting this information, the students can be taken to class. You give them a chance to present what they have so far got inside the classroom. So I gave them that opportunity. They were in groups. So each group was given an opportunity to present whatever they had done. And in this way, they are organizing their data. Because when you're teaching them statistics, you expect them to organize, to tabulate the information, and they can calculate the mean, they can calculate the median, they can calculate the mode, and all that goes with the statistics. And give them an opportunity to present. They practice their digital skills. And that is what I did. But as we were doing that project, still, the students were recording their sessions. So you work hand in hand with them to create a video which can be hosted on our school YouTube. They have just told you that at the other school we have a channel where we host our video. So work with them, walk them through how you can edit videos, so that the kind of video you are producing is good for instruction. You use it as an instruction material. And in that way, once the videos are created, you share the links on the platform. They have just told you the platform we use at High School. So we copied the links and we put them here. So anyone, anywhere can access this work. It's free of charge, it's shared by the wider community. So that is one application of ICT in relation to the curriculum that we are speaking about. We've had an opportunity of participating with other organizations. We participated in a project we called Global Water Crisis, and in this project we are trying to see if we can help our students understand how important water is. Because when they are at school, they might think that water is, they see it flowing on taps. They don't know that there are people who do not have even drinking water. So they explore unique properties of water. This is chemistry. They learn about the water cycle. They study the basic rules of chemistry as they affect water. And they get to share, because when they collaborate with the schools, from outside the country. We have an organization we call the Level Up Village, and it helps link schools all over the world. So Gaza has been one of the partners, and one of the projects we did was this. But it so happened that it was applying more of the classroom knowledge, because our students, I mean, they need to understand the different properties as far as water is concerned. And still they need to know how, because they use water. Some of them use water carelessly. They go to the tap and then they open the tap and they leave it running as they are brushing their teeth. But once they have understood that water is a scarce resource which has to be preserved, they will turn on the tap, get the toothbrush wet, and then turn on. They first brush as the tap is turned on. Because most of them don't see that when you leave the tap running, you're wasting water. Yet there are people who do not have that scarce resource. So they reflect on their water use and how they can be part of the solution to the water, the global water crisis. Because it's a crisis. In Uganda you might be having water, but there are people who do not have water, and that's a fact. So along the way we took our students to a nearby community well, because when they're in school and they're seeing the water running on taps, they might think, everyone is living that kind of life. But it's not the case. So there was a simple example. We just went to the nearby community, well, to show them that much as you guys enjoy wasting the water, but there are people outside just a few meters away from your school who are having dirty water. And as students, it's up to us to preserve this water. So do not misuse the water. Please protect the little resource you're having. And in this way we are attempting SDG number 6 of ensuring that there is a very good and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. In brief, that's the data I can share because of time, and if there are any questions or any other thing you want me to share with you, I'm here. Thank you.
Okay.